Welcome, puzzle fans, to another taste bud teasing edition of Puzzle Time. It is all about thinking outside the box. Here we go. We've got to cut the cake. So we've got a nice cake there for a birthday party. 8 people are coming to this birthday party, so we need 8 equally sized pieces, but we're only allowed to put 3 cuts into the cake. So how do you put 3 cuts into the cake to make 8 equally sized pieces? As usual, as soon as you see this button, press pause, think about it, and press play when you're ready to see the answer. Best of luck, off you go. Okay, so the answer, where do you put the 3 cuts? Well, if you try and do the 3 cuts all vertically like this, 1, 2, 3, you're going to end up with 4 slices of cake. But that is no good because we need 8 slices of cake. If you try and do the cuts horizontally, like so, you would only end up again with 4 slices of cake. So that is no good. So the trick is to think outside the box. That's what we always teach you to do. So your first cut is going to go down the middle. Now how many slices would you have there? You would have 2 slices. Your second cut is going to go across the middle. Now if you think about it, how many slices would you have now? You'd have 4 slices. You would have cut the cake into quarters. Now the question is, where do you put the final slice? Well, the final slice would have to be through the middle of the cake like this. Now if you think about it, if you did that, you would actually be taking each of your 4 quarters and slicing each of the 4 quarters in half. So if you slice the 4 quarters in half, you would end up with 8 slices of cake. So your first cut's down the middle, the second cut is across the middle, and the third cut is through the middle of the cake sideways like that. A very sneaky puzzle, that one, but that is how to make 8 slices of cake with only 3 cuts. Well done if you got it. Join us next week for another edition of Puzzle Time.